Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LifeLock for identity monitoring and recovery steps step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.lifelock.com and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. On the top right corner of the home page, locate the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. You will now see a login screen. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, type in your password. If you prefer, check the box to remember your login for future visits. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button below the password field. If your login information is correct, you will be redirected to your LifeLock dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. To access identity monitoring, find the relevant section within your dashboard. Review alerts or notifications regarding your identity status. If you need to initiate recovery steps, locate the Recovery Services section. Follow the instructions provided for reporting any suspicious activity. Ensure that all necessary information is accurately filled out. Once you have completed the steps, submit your recovery request. Check back regularly for updates on your identity monitoring status. Your LifeLock account is now set up for ongoing protection and alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.